over there, this one there, I replaced last night on the side of the road. Right now, this one look very terrible. It's almost, we're just waiting to blow up. First thing what I have to do, I have to take this airline because I try doing with my wrench, flat wrench. I can't move it. I have to use my snap-on with the extension bar because it's all corroded. I explained that before. You still don't want to go. I'm gonna cut the air, gonna come off, gonna make a little bit noise. I drive up on the second axle on the 4x4s. I don't know if you can see it on the floor, on the ground. 4x4s to get a little bit higher, to my axle come down, to be easy for me to remove the airbag. Because the trailer is loaded right now, and I have to do that. Okay. I hope you're gonna see it. It's okay. Okay. One. Slow that. Slow that. Have to be careful with it because this is reduction and it's not very thick. You have to be careful what you're doing. Don't over tight because you're gonna break it. Okay, just put it together so I don't lose it, because right now it's gonna be a struggle. Right now it's fitting perfect, and what they say, the bar was supposed to. You have to be careful with this thing. Don't kick you back in the face. Oh, it's coming. Slowly. So you can't even put the gun because it's a floor beams above there. Up. It can start leaking anytime, so it's better to change it now. To have like happened to me yesterday. Hold by hand for now. You need a little bit. Move it up. So the airbag is loose. Only what you have to do, you have to lift it. Okay, it's out. Inspect everything is fine. What you try to do? You're gonna try to fix this one now. That's enough so you can fit to the hole. What I did already. Yeah, I'm gonna put the new fittings. This 3/8. 3/8. I'm gonna put the new Teflon. I'm just gonna put the Teflon seal. You don't put the Teflon here because here it's going to the holes, and this have to tight because you look inside. Here's like a edge where you tight it in. This thing just tight it up more and more and just spreading and hold it. Air don't leak and just. I hate to do with the gloves. You don't have to put too much because too much is gonna be hard to tie. Just a little bit, and you clean it up, and it's coming like the. And where's the second of this one here? Let's remove the. Oh, give me more. Sorry. I hate to do it with the gloves on. I'm lazy to take the gloves off. And you have to watch it till you don't put the Teflon inside on it. Just keep on a thread, because if you're gonna put Teflon inside and gonna go somewhere and gonna stuck somewhere in a solenoid. Happened to me on a transmission. Doesn't want to shift, from the factory come. Somebody put a Teflon and stuck in a solenoid and block the hole. See, you just put here. Perfect. And it's almost ready. You're gonna tie it. I'm gonna tie it together later. Oh, okay. And okay, where's my big bolt? What I did with the big bolt? Oh, what I'm using anti-seize around it. If somebody have to take off in the future. The same on these bolts here. Gonna stick it in. Up. I hate that stuff because later it's gonna get dirty everywhere. You touch it, everything gonna be silver. I did it with my phone. I touched the phone. Wow, you see, it shoot. Oh, gonna be dirty like hell. Okay, now I have to remove that. Okay, remove the stuff when I don't need it. I don't need that. Oh, it's here. Put back the big bolt with the anti-seize. You have to be careful. Don't, tie it nice on a thread. Even don't force it. Move back and forth. Because if you're gonna damage the thread, like I think I did right now, I did not tie it. Just tie by hand. Look, it's going straight.